Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printer for engineering. This 3D printer is especially for users that can handle technical know-how. With this 3D printer, you can create complex models and engineer high-precision parts that are accurate to the last detail. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printer for engineers. They can all produce highly detailed components with accuracy and precision. The output of 3D printers can be used to create prototypes or models for engineering projects. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Dremel DG-Lab 3D Printer. If you're a LEGO enthusiast looking to take your building game to the next level, the Dremel DG-Lab 3D45-01 3D printer is your ultimate choice. This incredible machine is one of the best 3D printers and is perfect for creating custom LEGO pieces that will bring your imagination to life. With its advanced capabilities, the Dremel DG-Lab 3D45-01 is designed to handle a wide range of materials, making it LEGO-friendly and versatile. Whether you want to print with ECO-ABS, nylon, PETG, or PLA filament, this printer can handle it all effortlessly. Its all-metal 0.4mm nozzle can reach temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, allowing you to print precisely and precisely. Setting up this printer is a breeze, thanks to the guided setup process that gets you from unboxing to printing in no time. Plus, the 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen with an intuitive interface makes navigating different functions a fun and seamless experience. The Dremel DG-Lab 3D45-01 has top-rated features to make your LEGO printing journey more enjoyable. It boasts an automated 9-point leveling sensor that ensures a perfectly leveled print bed. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is Flashforge Garnered 2 3D Printer. Are you ready to take your LEGO creations to the next level? Then this magnificent machine is a dream come true for all LEGO enthusiasts, offering a fantastic set of features that will make your engineering endeavors a breeze. Picture this, a massive build volume of 280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, giving you plenty of room to bring your wildest LEGO designs to life. Whether crafting intricate structures or working on small-scale production projects, this printer covers you. But it doesn't stop there. The Garnered 2 ensures high-quality printing with its high-precision nozzle and a heated plate that can reach up to a toasty 120 degrees Celsius. With its wide range of filament support, including PLA, ABS, PVA, HIPS, PETG, TPU, wood-filled, electric, flexible, and TPE, the Garnered 2 opens a world of creative possibilities. Experiment with different materials and achieve stunning results. Are you worried about power outages or filament mishaps ruining your print? Fear not! The Garnered 2 has your back with its Resin printing function. If the power goes out or your filament breaks, this nifty printer will automatically pick up where it left off, saving you time and reducing waste. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. Hey there, fellow LEGO enthusiast! Let me introduce you to a game changer in 3D printing, the AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. This beauty is like a superhero for your engineering dreams, combining speed, precision, and error detection. Imagine doubling your printing speed and acceleration without compromising the quality of your prints. Thanks to the Power Boost 2.0, the M5 achieves a smooth power output that boosts speed by a whopping 30% compared to its predecessor. That means you can bring your LEGO creations to life at lightning-fast speeds. When it comes to detail, the M5 is fine. With its ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure, this printer delivers precise 0.1mm prints. Stability and quality are its top priorities, even when you're printing at high speed. No more frustrating surprises mid-print. The M5's error detection system is like having a watchful eye over your creations. Equipped with an intelligent camera and extra processing power, it calculates a printing plan and ensures your model matches your design flawlessly. Real-time notifications save you time and filament by auto-pausing prints when errors like adhesion issues or extruder jams are detected. If you want to purchase the sizable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Phrozen Sonic Mighty Resin 3D Printer. Introducing the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer, the perfect choice for all LEGO enthusiasts and engineering enthusiasts alike. Get ready to take your creations to the next level with this incredible machine. Printing extensive and detailed LEGO models has always been challenging. The Sonic Mighty 8K boasts an astounding 28mm resolution, ensuring every intricate detail is captured flawlessly. You won't have to compromise on quality or sacrifice the small elements that make your LEGO creations genuinely remarkable. Not only does it deliver stunning prints, but it's also designed to be a workhorse. Equipped with a 10-inch LCD screen and 23.5 cm dual linear rails, this printer boosts your productivity and efficiency. The mono LCD is built to last, offering enhanced durability and a longer lifespan. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Sonic Mighty 8K maintains a compact footprint, allowing you to place it anywhere in your printing space conveniently. Say goodbye to cluttered workstations. With solid dual linear rails and a thick T-plate, this printer ensures consistent success rates by minimizing wobbling and annoying layer lines. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is the official Creality 3D printer. Are you ready to level up your LEGO game? Hold on to your bricks because I've got the scoop on the best 3D printer for LEGO enthusiasts like you. Coming in at number 5 is the official Creality 3D printer, and boy, does it pack a punch! First off, let's talk speed. This lousy boy slashes printing time by a whopping 75%. How? Its refined motion system featuring standalone motors on each X, Y, and Z axis can reach mind-blowing accelerations of up to 2000 mm/s superscript 2. Say goodbye to waiting around for your LEGO creations to come to life. Its powerful dual-gear extruder delivers a whopping 80N extrusion force, ensuring your filament flows smoothly for up to 1,000 hours of clog-free printing bliss. PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, you name it, this printer can handle it. Now let's talk about stability. With its all-metal cube frame and classic Cartesian structure, this printer is as sturdy as they come. Thick linear shafts, extra gussets, and silicone bed mounts ensure rock-solid stability, allowing for a 100% success rate in printing for a jaw-dropping 1,000 hours. That's a lot of LEGO bricks. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for engineering. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.